Are you feeling exasperated because your blood sugar levels don't come down despite taking all measures? Well, stop worrying and simply get your hands on the new Vitality All Natural White Mulberry Extract available exclusively on Amazon.com. Hey, we understand your skepticism. There are many products that promise to lower sugar levels and even treat diabetes, but they end up disappointing. But White Mulberry is different from anything you've ever known and has been backed by Dr. Oz. The American Diabetes Association's Diabetes Care Journal has also published research findings which show extraordinary results of this powerful gift of nature. In addition, we have received some amazing reviews on Amazon. White mulberry extract lowers blood sugar levels naturally and also has the potential to prevent diabetes. The new Vitality White Mulberry Leaf Extract Blend is not only an effective blood sugar blocker, but also promotes natural healthy weight loss. It also lowers cholesterol, improves heart health, and strengthens your immune system. As an added bonus, you'll save lots of money because you wouldn't have to invest in expensive blood sugar or diabetes drugs. Wondering what the product contains? It's manufactured in the USA from the finest ingredients under strict GMP guidelines. This places the new Vitality White Mulberry Blend at the top with regards to industry quality. It's been made from 100% natural ingredients only. It includes natural ingredients like cinnamon, African mango, Garcinia cambogia, and green coffee bean, which address specific health issues with added benefits. It's also packed with natural antioxidants, alkaloids, and flavonoids. You get 120 vegetarian capsules per bottle, 500 milligrams of white mulberry per serving. There are no known side effects. There are no additives, fillers, or artificial ingredients. All new Vitality White Mulberry product is backed by a 100% money-back guarantee if you don't lower your blood sugar. It's very reasonably priced at $21.95 per bottle, considering most similar 60-cap bottles on average sell for approximately $18. You save $14.05 for every single new Vitality White Mulberry Blend bottle, which is worth 2 regular bottles of 60 caps each, costing a total of $36. A new Vitality bottle would normally cost $28, but now on sale for just $21.95. Now that's a 28% discount off our original price, but you need to hurry, only while supplies last. Buy now and change your life.